Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to join two Excel files together using EasyMorph. If you have customer info in one file and their orders in another, and you need to combine them, so this is the easiest and fastest way to do it. So let's get started. So to download EasyMorph, go to easymorph.com and hover over download in the menu and select download EasyMorph. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the download button. Just click on the download button. The installation will take place and you'll be ready to use EasyMorph in a couple of minutes. So I already have it installed on my computer. So let me show you the two files that we are going to use today. So the first file is customers info. In this file, we have 10 customers with customer ID, first name, last name, email, phone, and city. So here, the customer ID is our join key. This is what connects the two files together. And now let me open customer orders file. So here we have orders with order ID, customer ID, order date, product quantity, and amount. And if you notice at the bottom, there are two orders for customer 11 and 12 who aren't in our customer info file. So I left those in on purpose so you can see how the join handles unmatched data. So now let me open EasyMorph and create new blank project. I will add data, import file, import Excel spreadsheet, and select customer info file. I will do the same thing for customer orders table, add data, import file, import Excel spreadsheet, and the customer orders table. So now I have two separate tables, one for each file. So on the orders table, I will add a merge action. So now in EasyMorph, we have several merge actions for different scenarios. So let me quickly explain each one so you know which to use. So we have interval merge. So this matches rows based on a value falling within a range. For example, matching a sale amount to a commission tier or matching a date to a date range. And we have natural merge. So this automatically matches tables based on columns that have the same name. So you don't need to specify the matching column, EasyMorph figures it out for you. And we have cross merge. So this combines every row from one table with every row from another table. So if you have 10 customers and 5 products, you get 50 rows. So every possible combination, useful for creating pricing matrices or comparison tables. And we have merge another table. So this is the most common one. It takes two tables and combines them based on a matching column. Like customer ID, think of it like VLOOKUP in Excel, but much more powerful. So for our case, joining customers to their orders, merge another table is exactly what we need. So I will add merge another table to our orders table. And in the drop down here, I will select the customer info table. So this is the table we want to pull data from. And for the match column, I will select customer ID from this table and customer ID from the customer info table. So this tells EasyMorph how to match each order to the right customer. And for the merge mode, we have different join types. So let me explain each one quickly. We have lookup. So this brings in only the first matching row. If a customer has multiple entries, it only takes the first one. And we have left join. So it keeps all rows from this table and adds matching data from the other table. If there is no match, the fields are just empty. So this is the most commonly used one. And we have full join. It keeps all rows from both tables, nothing gets lost. Matched rows combine, unmatched rows from either side stay with empty fields. And we have inner join. It keeps only rows that match in both tables. Unmatched rows from either side are removed completely. For our case, I will use left join. So this keeps all 22 orders and adds customer info wherever there is a match. So the two orders for customer 11 and 12 will stay, but their customer fields will be empty since they don't exist in the customer info file. So I will get this city column, email column, first name, last name, phone from the customer info file to the orders table. So now before I click apply, let me click profile to see what the merged data will look like. So this is really helpful. EasyMorph shows us exactly what's going to happen. On the left, we have our orders table before merge. So we have 22 rows in the middle, the table after the merge, still 22 rows because we are using left join. So we keep all orders. And on the right, the customer info table stays unchanged. So down here, it shows us the matching statistics. We have 19 matched duplicate keys. Those are orders that match to customers who appear multiple times. And we have one matched unique key and two not matched keys. Those are the orders for customer 11 and 12 who aren't in the customer info file. So this preview lets you verify everything looks correct before applying the merge. So now everything looks good. So let me apply this and we are done. And now if you look at this, every order now has the customer's first name, last name, email, phone, and city. So the customer IDs are not in the correct order. So to get this customer ID in the order, I will right click on this and then sort and select ascending. And if you see now, it's sorted in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. So now if you see, the order for customer 1 now shows their first name, last name, email, phone, and city. And we have customer 3 and 4 right here. And if you see at the bottom, the two orders for customer 11 and 12 have empty customer fields because those customers doesn't exist in our customer info file. So we know exactly which orders need attention. So now let me export this into Excel file. For that, I will add an action called export into Excel file. And I will choose my folder and name it as combine underscore Excel and save it. Now run all actions and we are done. So now let me open the result file So this is our result file. So here we have orders and customer info combined into one clean table. So every order has the customer's name, email, phone, and city right next to it. So no VLOOKUPs, no index match, no formulas to maintain. So that's how you join two Excel sheets using EasyMorph. Quick, visual, and no formulas to break. And remember, you can also use different merge modes depending on what you need. Left join to keep everything from one table, full join to keep everything from both, inner join to keep only the matches, or any of the other merge actions like cross merge or natural merge. And that's it. Thank you for watching.